Are you looking for the best mini drones? In this video we will look at some of the best mini drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Outstanding battery. 250 G weight. Foldable. Tiny. Good wind resistance. GPS. 4K stable footage. If you are looking for a drone that excels, the DJI Mini 3 Pro builds on the success of the Mini 2. The Mini 3 has high-end features of the Mavic drone that can fit in the palm. This drone moreover features a large sensor size than its predecessor. The 3 directions, a boost in video and photo quality, and plus battery option extend the 34 minutes life. The 4K video at 60 frames per second or 48MP utilizes its camera fast f/1.7 lens. The drone has lightweight and smaller in size. The Mini Pro 3 has a good choice if you are looking for a prosumer option to capture photos and videos. Choosing a drone is a task when it comes to price. The stable camera drone is small. The DJI Mini 2 is a main top mini drone. It can stay for 31 minutes in the air, which is bonkers, can fly for 10 kilometers and has a stable GPS and sensors. This drone resists the wind and has 3-axis stabilized gimbal. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3. Excellent quality image. Long battery life. 4-third camera. 7x optical and 28x digital zoom lens. 1K 50 and 4K 120 video. 20MP RAW. Long flight time. If you are looking for a high-quality image in a lightweight drone, then DJI Mavic 3 is the best option. This drone features a dual camera with a 20MP sensor and adjustable aperture that offers excellent image quality. The 5.1 video quality has RAW and JPEG formats. The Mavic 3 has images in JPEG and video in auto mode and can offer a hybrid zoom of up to 24x. The drone has a flagship consumer model that has 46 minutes of flight time with useful safety features. The Mavic 3 has multi-vision sensors to face obstacles and has an advanced pilot assistance system that has 6 fisheye sensors. The drone is all set to fly. The drone has a foldable model and has big 4 sensors with a Hasselblad color that provides excellent footage. The drone is heavy enough not to require any FAA registration and small enough to carry in a shoulder bag. The best and ideal for cinematographers who love to travel and explore different places. Number 3. DJI Avata. The compact and lightweight drone that is suitable for tight spaces is DJI Avata. The design is made for you to be bold. The built-in propeller guard means that if Avata has contact with an object, it can stay in the air, can fly, and even bounce back. The DJI Avatar is agile and even suitable for confined spaces and is smaller and lighter in weight. The integrated propeller guard has improved its ability to bounce back. The FPV is built for speed and maneuverability and has high-velocity impacts. The Avatar focuses more on stability and cinematic filmmaking with large sensing and high frame options. The Avatar features a Cine whoop style to protect the propellers in case of a crash or any accident. The drone has a weight of 14.46 ounces with a battery flight time of up to 18 minutes. The 20GB storage along with the microSD card makes the storage options more suitable for safely recording FPV videos. The 48MP video quality has a 1/1.7-inch CMOS sensor that has an f/2.8 lens with fixed focus from 0.6m to infinity. The Avatar is designed for shooting FPV video and can capture in 4K up to 60 frames per second. The video color profiles include normal and D-Cine-like and a video bitrate of 150 megabits per second. The Avatar is a drone for those who need fast-paced choreography. Number 4. Fini X8 Mini. Controller is present. 8 kilometers range. Easy to fly. Excellent battery life. The image quality is good. Solid build quality. HDR option. The impressive Fini X8 Mini is a more affordable alternative and worth considering if it shoots high-quality 4K video and if the small 1/2.6-inch sensor offers a stable automated flight mode. The X8 Mini has charged via USB-C and has a bundled controller that is more suitable. The 5.8 GHz has Wi-Fi flight mode. The Fini X8 Mini offers good value for money. Number 5. Parrot Anafi. High wind resistance. 21 MP resolution camera. Seamless 4G/Wi-Fi. 4K HDR. 32 minutes flight time. Autonomous photography for large-scale mapping. High wind resistance. Adequate battery life. Parrot Anafi AI incorporates a 4G radio module that has a Wi-Fi radio and has a video transmission stream in 1080p with 300 milliseconds latency. Its sensor has high megapixels that have fine aerial images. The mini drone Parrot Anafi AI uses a quad Bayer filter array that has 4 pixels in one single color. The HDR capture mode has 4 adjacent pixels, resulting in an image with dynamic range. The compact and lightweight Parrot Anafi is the best for compact lightweight. The Parrot Anafi offers video functions in terms of frame rates. The folding design makes it long and thin for transport and other storage accessories. The 320g weight has a portable factor. The automated flight patterns make it easy to capture professional activities with 2-axis gimbal. When it comes to safety features, the Anafi has GPS positioning to hold the drone and avoid drifting.